To transfer crypto from Kraken to a cold wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps to ensure a safe and secure transaction. First, make sure you have a Kraken account and a cold wallet set up. A cold wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that is not connected to the internet, providing an additional layer of security for your assets. Begin by logging into your Kraken account and navigating to the Funding tab. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on Withdraw. You will then be prompted to enter the address of your cold wallet. This address can be found in your cold wallet's settings or on the device itself. It is crucial to double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Once you have entered the address, select the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click Confirm. Kraken will then prompt you to review the transaction details, including the amount, address, and any applicable fees. After verifying the details, confirm the transaction and Kraken will process the transfer. Depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Once the transfer is complete, your cryptocurrency will be safely stored in your cold wallet. To verify the transfer, log into your cold wallet and check your balance. You can also use a blockchain explorer to track the transaction and confirm it has been processed. It is essential to keep your cold wallet and Kraken account secure by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your devices and software up to date. By following these steps, you can securely transfer your cryptocurrency from Kraken to a cold wallet, providing an additional layer of protection for your assets. Always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your cryptocurrency. Investments.